Okay, so I've got some bits. I've got a battery over here, service kit. So I've got loads of oil because it seems to take a lot of oil. Genuine Porsche parts. But where possible, I always put genuine parts on because I find a lot of the other aftermarket parts for these kind of cars rubbish. So these are gaskets that seem to be new bolts. I'm not entirely sure what gaskets they are, to be honest. So we'll see. That's that bit. Filter, fuel filter. Oil filter, air filter, and 6 spark plugs, plus some plug washers. Okay, so I'm assuming there's going to be a load of oil behind here because the sump's over here. So I don't know how this drains, but I would say there's probably a load of oil, so I'm going to make a mess, probably like normal. We will see. Ooh. Hey! Easier than expected. Hallelujah. But I do need to be a bit careful that I don't get this dirt, the loose nut there. I'm trying not to get any of that dirt up there in here, which is annoying because I really want to clean it. Now I've got the bug for cleaning, but it's going to be high risk, so I'll have a think. Okay, so got the cam cover off, which was much easier than I anticipated. Not because it looked difficult, but that's just the way the cars go, you know. Everything you try and do ends up being more difficult. It was a little bit behind the exhaust, but there was nothing obvious to say you've got to remove the exhaust. But I was sort of thinking something that's going to catch me out, but luckily it didn't. So we've got this off. I'm gonna do some more cleaning. I have ordered one of those whatever they're called, the bowl thing with the water in, and you put electric current through it and it cleans. I've got one of those on order, but I kind of want to get this done now. That's the old gasket. So straightforward replacement, hopefully. See how we get on. Just need to work out how to clean this best now. Okay, so what I've done, I guess don't try this at home, because I don't know whether this is a good thing to be doing or not. I should be wearing gloves, I guess. Anyway, I've soaking it in a bit of brake cleaner. I've agitated it. I'm going to leave it there while I get the other one off, and then hopefully once it's had time to soak and that fluid to penetrate all the dirt, it'll look reasonable. Okay, so final piece, thankfully, of the underneath of the car. Cam cover's done. Now it's a case of putting the sump plugs back in. And with my kit, I've got 2 new O-rings, if you want to, well, are they O-rings or are they just washers? Washers. So pop them on, put them back on, and then the underneath is done, because I'm fed up of getting dirty. Okay, so next job is to fill it up with oil. We're getting there. Fill it up with oil, then I can turn it over, make sure it turns over okay, make sure we've got a spark. Then we'll put some fuel in and fire it up. Simple as that. Okay, so that is halfway. It's 8 litres in total I've just put in. I think it takes 9. So I'm going to leave it for now, because let's turn it over a few times and then go from there. Okay, so we made some good progress today. I'm really happy with where I'm finally at. So I've still got the spark plugs out. Next step, put some fuel in, put the battery on, and try and start this thing. See how we get on. See you next time.